Hey, so today I am starting my cooking channel. It's going to be called Fran's Kitchen. Baby, I need y'all to follow my channel, Fran's Kitchen, okay? I prepared all of this myself. I did not go and buy it. I did this myself. And I have my little special little butter over here. And I got my gallon of water. I'm new to the whole food channel thing. But one thing for sure, I love me some seafood. I love me some crab legs. I have some broccoli. I have some corn. And I got some potatoes. So, we're going to get started. My little sauce. I'm new to the game, y'all. So, the sauce that I got is a garlic, lemon. It's not lemon pepper. It's the garlic, lemon, Old Bay sauce. And it is so good. You can pour it on your, broccoli. I'm a broccoli eater. I'm about to dip my corn in it. And it's so good. So, we're watching this channel. I want to give a shout out to the queen of it all, what she is, Be Love. See? Oh, this mug is so juicy and thick. Oh! Look at that. Here we go, y'all. Let me do it how they do it. You know what I'm saying? Let me do it how B do it. It's so good. I didn't overcook it. It's not tough or anything. Excuse my baby in the background. If y'all hear him screaming out, it's 10:48. And it's past his bedtime. It's time to go to bed. Oh, I need a broccoli with that. This is pretty good. Dip that in this sauce right here, baby. Everybody eat y'all green vegetable. Okay. Well, to tell y'all a little bit more about myself, I'm a hairstylist. If y'all not already, y'all need to click that link in the description box. Follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, on all social media platforms at The Differences. I love seafood. I love seafood. Oh, my hair, I don't know, butter in my hair. I don't know why I keep throwing my bottom lip out like it. But it's a little salty though. I think I put a little too much lemon pepper. Lemon. Garlic, lemon. See? When I eat this, I gotta eat it all together. Some of this stuff out the way so I can get some of my potatoes. The potatoes is hitting. And all these damn king crab and shit. Yeah, I put on this shirt, y'all, because I knew if some butter drip from my motherfucking $100 shirt, or I'm trying to be on this bitch trying to be cute to eat in front of this camera, and this motherfucking butter drip on my motherfucking shirt, I'm gonna be so mad. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just throw on my brand t-shirt, premium beeswax. Y'all make sure y'all go cop my beeswax. Right now I got them a front though, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, let's crack one of these little legs open. I'm gonna get this part. This part's gonna be that bad. Crack this shit open. Oh, my fork at? See, it's so easy to just work that shit down like this and then just bust it open. Ooh, I wonder where he gonna go live now. I'm scared. This a little nice little chunk. We're gonna swirl it. I don't understand. I don't keep y'all long, bro. When I tell y'all I got a new sauce coming out, baby, y'all better make sure y'all go get that shit. Because baby girl whooping up everything. I'm whooping up edges, hair. I'm whooping a can of whoop ass on whoever. No, for real, because motherfuckers be trying me, bitch. Oh, excuse my language. He will be trying it. Okay. Nice stick. That's right here. Say hi. Look at the camera. Say hi. Let's eat some broccoli. You want to try some?
Wait, that's for the crab leg.
It's lobster.
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 And I like this one. With that one. Wait, you like the lobster?
Mm-hmm. Talk to them, tell them what you like to do.
I like to eat. Now, see, not let me get some space for the baby. You gotta do the baby. You gotta do the baby. My mom crab legs inside there.
You said the crab.
I know that. Squeeze. We put it inside there. I like it. Wait, this mine.
Stand up, yes.
This mine.
Here. Watch out, Auntie. Here. Come close. Get back up there.
Okay. Get close. Nothing. No, not for you.
Tell them how you like it.
Then the turn to eat. Yeah, no.
What you say, Nancy? It's time to eat.
When you could got no fear in it, no gear. That's why I so like it. These crab legs. And I like them with their pointy.
Okay, look. Hold that up. And hold this up. Nazi, take a picture. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Move it out your face. Take a picture. Say it. Say it.
Oh! I break the. No, look at your lobster tail. Oh my gosh!
It's the soft part. Let me do it.
That's dangerous.
You want some broccoli or some corn?
Broccoli.
Here, now show them how you do it. Show them how you dip it.
Okay. Whoa. Nah. It's fine.
And then eat it in the camera. Show them.
Show me.
It's good.
Good.
Wait, you gotta wave and say bye-bye. Okay, so that was the kid edition. And because they done took over my whole little plate. Want some more? Here, just a little. No, this right here, baby. Right here. Say see you later. Say
You
bye.
could thank me now. Go ahead. Thank me later, yeah, I know what I said. But later doesn't always come, so instead. The difference is, I pay attention. Whatever I say, they